In this video I will tell you how to delete Pinterest account. So first open Pinterest account. After that click uh, here user icon, and after that click setting. Then find you add account. So this add account, go to uh, scroll down and go to manage account. After that this is an interface. So if you want temporary delete account, so choose this option. If you want delete your data account and permanently delete, so permanently delete, this is a account and continue, and region choose any and send. This is a my account permanently deleted. Okay, so this method use Pinterest account delete permanently. If you my video informative, so like and subscribe.